Alright, I got this idea to get my treadmill motor working. I'm going to put a link because I can't even think of his name, but he was showing you how to build this DC motor controller. And so I followed his directions, and it works great. What's nice about his method is when you turn it off, once it slows down, this is why I was so impressed by what he was doing. You eliminate the soft start. So I just wanted to post that and tell him thank you. I'll put his name in the video because I cannot think of it.
We made too many compromises already, too many retreats. They invade our space, and we fall back.
I'm your huckleberry.
The line must be drawn here. This far, no farther.
That's just my game.